you're new here, welcome. We do daily videos talking about health and wellness tips and tricks. And in this video, we're going to talk about the wonderful benefits of carnelian. The gemstone carnelian is amazing, and it's actually considered a variety of caledony, which is a kind of quartz that is made up of tiny, finely grained microcrystals. And carnelian can actually be found in different shades, such as deep orange, red brown, and apricot shades as well, and it's considered a really good quality stone, and it easily can be carved into so many different rings and so many different shapes as well. In terms of its history, it's actually been used as far as 3000 BCE. Carnelian, as well as so much other gemstones, were used consistently in the areas of Egypt, Mesopotamia. They were actually used for protection. And carnelian was actually used and considered one of the 12 sacred stones that has been set in the breastplate of Aaron. And carnelian was actually used and considered one of the 12 sacred stones that has been set in the breastplate of Aaron. And in the Middle Ages, powdered carnelian was actually mixed with water, and it's used to be taken as a remedy against the plague. In the medieval times, gemstone was often identified with different emotional states, and carnelian was considered to be a healer of anger and anger issues. And it has a deep, warm color, and it's very attractive as well. So in terms of its healing benefits and healing energies, carnelian was considered to help to ease depression and also help to give you a sense of inner stability, because what it does is it helps to balance your energy, and it's also helped to balance your mind, specifically when it comes to you trying to tackle difficult mental tasks. And carnelian is also believed to have properties such as warming and stimulating the appetite and balancing the female reproductive system. It's also believed to ease menstrual pain, and what it does is, or the belief behind it is, that it promotes a sense of attunement with yourself, and the energy is very warm, it's opening, it's positive, joyful, particularly when it's placed in the lower abdominal area. So this video is all about carnelian. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Of tiny, finely grained microcrystals. And carnelian can actually be found in different shades, such as deep orange, red brown, and apricot shades as well, and it's considered a really good quality stone, and it easily can be carved into so many different rings and so many different shapes as well. And in terms of the source of carnelian actually comes from Brazil, or also from India.